A radar operator looks up as hundreds of unknown aircraft suddenly appear on the screen. They're not fighter jets, they're not missiles, they're drones, and they're moving together like a swarm of bees. How can hundreds of machines act as one? And could this change the future of warfare? What you're seeing isn't science fiction. Around the world, engineers are researching ways for groups of drones to coordinate, share information, and complete missions together under human supervision. The bee analogy. Think about a swarm of bees. No single bee controls the entire swarm, yet they move together with incredible coordination. Drone swarms are inspired by this same idea, many units working as a team. What is a drone swarm? A drone swarm is more than just many drones flying at once. The real innovation is their ability to share information and coordinate their actions while remaining under human oversight. Why this matters? Imagine trying to keep track of one fast-moving drone. Now imagine tracking 100. That challenge is one reason drone swarm technology is receiving so much attention. The brain behind the swarm. If one drone loses contact, does the entire swarm stop? Not necessarily. Many swarm concepts are designed so that each drone contributes to the mission while sharing information with the others, making the group more adaptable. How drones communicate. Imagine a football team. Every player knows the game plan and communicates with teammates. Eyes in the sky. Instead of relying on one camera or one sensor, a swarm can collect information from many different viewpoints. Human oversight. Despite rapid advances in automation, human operators remain responsible for supervising missions and making critical decisions. Beyond the battlefield, swarm technology isn't only being researched for defense. Similar ideas could support disaster response. The biggest challenge. Coordinating hundreds of flying machines is extremely difficult. Engineers must solve challenges involving communication, weather, battery life, navigation. Electronic interference signals can be disrupted by the environment or by electronic interference. That's why researchers continue developing more resilient communication methods. Smarter navigation. Future systems may use improved navigation and sensing technologies to help drones safely avoid obstacles and coordinate more effectively. Working together. The real strength of a swarm isn't any single drone, it's the teamwork. By sharing information, the group can build a more complete understanding of its surroundings. Faster decisions. When many sensors work together, information can be organized more quickly, helping operators understand changing situations faster. The technology race. Around the world, universities, research organizations, and defense industries continue exploring new ways to improve autonomous systems, sensors, the future battlefield. Tomorrow's operations may involve aircraft, ships, satellites, ground vehicles, and drone swarms all sharing information as part of one connect. What comes next? As technology continues to evolve, drone swarms are expected to become more capable, more reliable, and more adaptable. But with every new capability comes a question for the future. Will AI-powered drone swarms become one of the defining technologies of the next generation, or will new counter-drone systems evolve just as quickly? From inspiration found in nature to advances in artificial intelligence and engineering, drone swarms represent one of the most fascinating developments in modern military technology. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to War Tech for more deep dives into the technologies shaping the future of defense. And tell us in the comments,